Dear students, the chapter that we are going to solve today is 10 of class 5 and the chapter is Nachiketa. Number 1. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is direct questions. A. Who was Nachiketa? Answer. Nachiketa was King Vajasarva's son. B. What was the purpose of the yajna? Answer. The purpose of the yajna was to please God. C. Why was Nachiketa surprised? Answer. Nachiketa was surprised at the work of charity. D. What did Nachiketa suggest to make the yajna successful? Nachiketa suggested father to give his son in charity to make the yajna successful. Why had Nachiketa to wait for Yam? Answer. Nachiketa had to wait for Yam because Lord Yam was not there. And question F. Who told Nachiketa to go back on the earth? Answer. Lord Yam told Nachiketa to go back on the earth. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is who said to whom? A. Stop giving these cattle to the priests. Answer. Nachiketa said to ministers. B. You should give your near and dear belongings in charity. Answer. Nachiketa said to Vajasarva. I give you to Yam. Vajasarva said to Nachiketa. D. Lord Yam is not here. Answer. God said to Nachiketa. E. I enjoyed all your good deeds. Nachiketa said to Yam. F. Your life is very long. Yam said to Nachiketa. And G. I want to know about the creation of this world. Its answer is Nachiketa said to Yam. Question number 3. Write yes or no. It means right or wrong, true or false. Nachiketa was an obedient son. Yes. Nachiketa performed a yajna. No. King Vajasarva, who was father of Nachiketa, he performed a yajna. The priests were given old cattle. Yes. Yam told Nachiketa to wait for 3 days. No. Guard, who was at the door of Yam, he told Nachiketa to wait for 3 days because Yam was not there. Yam fulfilled the third wish of Nachiketa. Yes. Nachiketa became free from the sorrow of the world. Yes. Yam was pleased with the answer of Nachiketa. Yes. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is fill in the blanks with the words given below. Some words are given. Words are words, priests, boons, truth, cattle, deeds, knowledge. Many dash perform the yajna. Answer is priests. Many priests performed the yajna. Old dash were given in charity. Answer is cattle. Old cattle were given in charity. C. The king was angry at his son's dash. Answer is words. The king was angry at his son's words. D. Nachiketa enjoyed good dash of yum for 3 days. Answer deeds. Nachiketa enjoyed good deeds of yum for 3 days. E. Yum granted 3 dash to Nachiketa. Answer is boons. Yum granted 3 boons to Nachiketa. F. Nachiketa received the highest dash of universe. Answer is knowledge. Nachiketa received the highest knowledge of the universe. G. Nachiketa wanted to know the dash about life after death. Answer is truth. Nachiketa wanted to know the truth about life after death. 5. Write the opposite of these words. Words are given in black letters and opposite words are given in red letters. Cruel, kind. It means opposite of cruel is kind. Disobedient, obedient. These all words have been taken from the story. Answer words are given in the story somewhere. Displease, please. Far, near. Fertile, barren. Take, give. Departure, arrival. Destruction, construction. Curse, boon. Falsehood, truth. Next, number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. 2 prepositions are given at the end of sentence and we have to choose the right one or suitable one from the bracket. Ravi is dash trouble now. In, on. Answer is in. Ravi is in trouble now. Translate it from English dash Hindi. Words are into, to. Right answer is into. Translate it from English into Hindi. We have been waiting here dash 5 o'clock. Words are for or since. Right answer is since. We have been waiting here since 5 o'clock. Next question is, my father was satisfied dash my answer. Prepositions are given with or by. With is the right answer. So, sentence will be, my father was satisfied with my answer. The patient died dash cholera. Words are of and from. Right answer is of. The patient died of cholera. When anyone dies of any disease, we use of. His father deals dash food grains. In, with. In is right answer. His father deals in food grains. Life is full dash surprises. Words are of, with. Right answer is of. Life is full of surprises. Next is, the frog fell dash the well. Into, in. Right answer is into. The frog fell into the well. The letter has been written dash Akanksha. By or from. Answer is by. The letter has been written by Akanksha. And next question is, Sneha goes to school dash foot. On or by. On is right answer. Sneha goes to school on foot. Now next question. Write the name of the following. Begin with capital letter. One thing I want to tell you about this question, that your answer may be different from the answer given. You have to write according to your choice. Your principal, Anant Kumar Sinha. Your mother tongue, Hindi. Your best friend, Yashasvi Raj. Your favorite festival, Durga Puja. Your favorite book, Ramayan. A mountain, Himalaya. A river, Ganga. A monument, Red Fort. Your country, India. Your religion, Hindu. You may write another answer. This answer may vary from person to person. Just for example, I have written here according to my choice which answer is right for me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.